Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect forex.com to MetaTrader 5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for MT5. When you are able to find the MT5 application, you need to tap on its icon, then tap on the option of install, and you need to wait for some time until the installation is completed. Now simply tap on the option of open in order to launch your MT5 application. Now first of all, if you are opening it for the very first time, it will ask you to basically open a demo account, but you just have to cross that pop-up, then tap on the option of add trading account. Now it will ask you to find the broker or the server over here. So since we want to connect our forex.com account, you just have to simply search for forex.com. Now as you can see, when you searched for forex.com, it is going to show you a bunch of different servers that are associated with your forex.com account. But you need to get the exact server which is basically linked to your account in order to connect it with your MT5 account. So in order to find the correct server, simply launch your forex.com account. After logging into it, you just have to go to the settings. In your settings, you are going to get your MT5 login credentials that you are going to be provided from forex.com. So from there, you need to copy the server, then you need to paste it over here. It will show you only one server over here, then tap on that particular server. After that, it will ask you to provide your login ID and the password. So these two you are also going to get from your forex.com account's dashboard. So you need to copy the login ID and the password and you need to paste them over here one by one. Then tap on the option of login, and this way you will be able to connect your forex.com account to MetaTrader 5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.